Hello guys, this is Mithun Desadi. Welcome back to another new video. Today we are going to do another tech review of this new Redmi Sonic Bass wireless earphones, and they have written a few specs on it like up to 12 hours of playback time, environmental noise cancellation and IP Express Flash and sweat proof. It's a pretty good feature, and here also they have written the cost, which is actually wrong. I have ordered it for a little bit less. I will tell you in the video forward. And now let's do the unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi Sonic Bass wireless earphones. In this box you get to see first the these earphones itself, and then we also get to see the user manual where we can get the minimum knowledge from this. And next we can see this ear dips where small and large size have been included. Medium size are included in the wireless earphones itself. And now let's get to the earphones. The build quality of this wireless earphones is actually very nice, where we can see the soft silken neckband where it does not give any irritation to our neck. On the right side we can see in this portion the LED indicator where it blinks when we switch. By long pressing this power button, it switches off. The red light comes and then it switches off. And these are the volume buttons, which we can also use by holding for long. We can also use for forwarding and also to skip to the previous track. And here we can also see this power button where we can long press and again we can turn on this. We can double tap this to also get the Google Assistant and Siri in Android and iOS respectively. And it also has magnetic attachment where it does not have any pause or play feature while we attach them. And here is the charging port where we can charge this via mini USB, but I feel if they have given USB-C type, it would be even good. And pairing this is also pretty simple. We just need to go into this, and when we tap on pair, it pairs itself. And I have also tested the sound quality where I have seen that it is giving a very strong punchy bass, and I feel the build quality must be better in this buttons area, where I feel them that they are not so clicky, but it's all okay. Having a very good bass, and I feel that highs are little low. It is not having that good highs, but the audio surround sound is actually very good. And we will see whether the Google Assistant works with this double tap. Yes, it is working. We'll just search for something. Yes, it is working pretty good. I can also hear the Google Assistant's voice. I've seen the bass, actually it's very punchy and it's having a strong.
Now we will see whether these buttons work or not and how they work. And now we'll select a song and playing this. And okay, here are the wireless earphones themselves, and we should start it. Yes, it is playing, and I will try to pause it. Yes, it has paused, you can see, and then we will try to play it again. Yes, it is playing again, and now we will try to skip to the next track. Let us skip to the next track too. And now we will just come to the previous track. Yes, it has come, and now we will do volume function. Yes, you can see that volume is also reducing and increasing, so it works perfectly.
The price is very aggressively set for these earphones. I have seen the actual price of this is 999 on mi.com and Mi stores. It is actually very good pricing than the MI's earphones, and it is priced at 1600 while this is priced at a little low. And there are a few extra features also in this, like environmental noise cancellation, which works better in this than that. So I recommend you to buy this within the range of 1000 rupees. This is the best earphones I have tested under 1000 rupees. And thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.